Fellas, in this video, I'm going to show you a new trick that will earn you 1 million tokens on Hamster Kombat. You'll get this no matter the level that you're on. So any type of level that you're on, you'll be able to get the 1 million tokens. Although, I've already dropped this information in my Telegram channel before I even begin to make this video you're watching right now, because it's very easy for me to quickly drop significant information as soon as I get it on the Telegram group rather than having to start making video here. Moreover, it's only in this Telegram group that you can get to chat with me personally to ask any questions relating to cryptocurrency or money making in general. Therefore, if you're not in this group, you should hurry to join it right now by using the link that I'll provide in this video's description and also pin in the comment section. With that being said, let's move to our main topic. I already posted today's combo card about an hour ago. So, in case you haven't seen it, check it out on the channel. Okay, first of all, I would like to address this issue that you are facing under PR and team. So, all of you are saying this card is locked. The Welcome to Amsterdam card is locked. What you have to do is read the condition that will be here. They are telling you, for this card to be unlocked, you need to be on level 3 on USDT on Tone. The card that they are telling you is under Specials. So, click on Specials. Make sure you click on Specials and find this card. It will be USDT on Tone. This is the card that they are telling you is under Special. So, if also this card is locked, if also USDT on Tone is locked, read the condition that will be here. They will tell you to invite 3 friends for it to be unlocked. So if Welcome to Amsterdam is locked, okay? Make sure you are on level 3 on USDT on Tone. If also this card is locked, make sure you invite 3 friends for it to be unlocked and take it to level 3. So that's it for you guys who are saying your card is locked. The trick that I want to show you that will earn you 1 million tokens is around this button or this area. What you have to do is click 3 times on this part. So make sure you click 3 times here. 1, 2, 3, and our hamster button will turn red. Okay, this is the trick. It's the Decipher. As you can see here, the trick is you need to discover a secret word that they hid under this button. So what you will do is long tap on this button. Okay, long tap, then tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and our first letter will be B. Okay, then long tap, release, and our second letter will be T. The second method is long tap, tap once, long tap, tap once, and the hidden word will be BTC. You'll be able to earn 1 million tokens for free. So, today's code was BTC. Click on Take the Prize. Rewatch the video if you missed what I said. These are free tokens. So, you have earned 1 million tokens for discovering the hidden word or the Decipher. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video.